All right, to install ShowXpress, you're simply going to go down to your download folder and go ahead and click your latest download. In this case, it's a DMG file. It's going to expand, and you're going to see a folder called ShowXpress. Now, if you're new and you have not yet installed ShowXpress onto your software, what I like to do, I always recommend it, is to place a new folder on your desktop. I like to call it ShowXpress Software, and that's going to be your home for your ShowXpress folder. What's cool about this is that when there's new software updates, you can literally drag and drop, update it, and you're good to go with the new software. It's easy managing being able to update everything. So that's what I like to do. Now, if you currently have ShowXpress on your machine currently, then we're going to want to update it. To update, it's very simple. So in this case, in my folder, I have ShowXpress software and I have ShowXpress. This is going to be version 8. Now, we don't want to use version 8, so we want to update it. It's very simple to update. So here's the new version, ShowXpress 9. All I'm going to do, and you can do this on a PC as well, just drag and drop into the new folder. That's the ShowXpress software. It's going to ask you to replace. You're going to click replace. It's going to replace real quick. And now you have the new software. So what I like to do, go ahead and expand the folder. The lighting controller, you can literally drag it down into your dock or your desktop, whatever you want, if you want a shortcut. I already have that down here, so we're good to go. So, very simple when you updated it. That just updated everything. What's really cool to know is that the light shows are not within this folder. So a lot of people worry about if you're going to update the folder, then it's going to eliminate your light shows and whatnot. It does not. The light show folder is on a different location on your computer, so you can constantly keep updating your software to the latest version, and it does not affect your light shows. So again, it does not affect your light shows, so no worries. And I'm going to show you where that light show folder is on another video. All right, so once you do everything like that, next step is we're going to get started with ShowXpress.